Good morning and Jai Hind, dear students. This is your facilitator Shabnam Ara. Here we have the second part of the poem Going Downhill on a Bicycle, composed by Henry Charles Beeching. This poem is an experience of childhood innocence, bicycling through the hill slope to the valley, and a feeling of thrill and enjoyment. So now we have second last part of the poem, next three stanzas. Say, heart, is there aught like this in a world that is full of bliss? 'Tis more than skating, bound steel shod to the level ground. Speed slackens now, I float a while in my airy boat, till when the wheels scarce crawl, my feet to the treadless fall. Alas, that the longest hill must end in a vale, but still who climbs with toil, wheresoever, shall find wings waiting there. Fourth stanza explanation. Say, heart, is there aught like this in a world that is full of bliss? Bliss is happiness. 'Tis more than skating bound, steel shod to the level ground. Here the boy doubts and asks to himself, is there anything in the world that can give him the extreme happiness like he is having now while bicycling? According to him, 'tis more than skating, means the boy is assuming, thinking simultaneously that it is more than skating thrilling because skating is bounded with steel shot to the ground. ज़मीन से लगी होती है, हवा में उड़ नहीं रही होती without touching the ground. It does not give the joy of flying in air, so it's a joy more than skating bicycling. Speed slackens now. I float a while in my airy boat, till when the wheels scarce crawl, scarce slow down. धीमा हो जाना स्पीड का. My feet to the treadless fall. Treadless, pedal of the bicycle. And here the explanation of the stanza. Now the speed of his bicycle, the boy bicycle, gradually becomes slower. The boy feels as if he is in a boat in the air. He feels stop crawling automatically as the hill slope has come to an end. जैसे जैसे स्लोप नीचे की वैली की तरफ आता जाता है, उसकी साइकिल की स्पीड भी धीरे धीरे कम होती जाती है. द बॉय पुट्स हिज फीट ऑन द पेडल्स ऑफ द बाइसाइकिल टू कीप इन मूविंग. So now he puts his feet down on the pedals for the speed controlling, and his cycle seems him as an airy boat. This is very amazing. Sixth and last stanza. Alas, the longest hill must end in a vale, but still who climbs with toil, toil means hard work, wheresoever, वहाँ कहीं पर shall find wings, अगेन उसे wings मिलेंगे, waiting there, उस पहाड़ी के ऊपर वेट कर रहे हैं for taking the enjoyment. So explanation is, at last the boy has come to the end of his ride of bicycling. He concludes that even the longest hill ends in a valley, yet one will find wings waiting there on the top of the hill. For getting the wings for him, if he can climb up the hill with hard work. For him, if he can climb up the hill with hard work means अगर आपको फिर से ये विंग्स चाहिए उड़ने के लिए लाइक द बर्ड, सो यू हैव टू डू हार्ड वर्क एंड टॉयल to go up to the hill, then you will get again the wings to fly in the sky like a bird for bicycling. So therefore the theme of the poem is, if one wants the joy and happiness of life, so she has to do hard work to achieve it. This last line is the motivation of life. Do hard work and get enjoyment. With this, I would like to wind up this chapter. Thank you and Jai Hind.